How to create an Amazon wish list on mobile device. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on this video I will guide you how you can create an Amazon wish list on mobile. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Amazon application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to this menu bar at the bottom of this interface, tap on the profile icon. Under this page, tap on the button at the top right corner as List. Under this section, you will find all of the lists that you have created in your account. So to create a wish list, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Now you can name your list. For now, I will just name it my wish list. Then tap on Create List. Now the list has been created and there are no items in this list currently. But before that, if you want to make your wish list public, tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner and here tap on Manage List. That's gonna take you to few settings where you could change your list name. If you tap on the privacy, you can share or set your list from private to public or shared. And under that, there are other options as well. The list is for you. You can add the recipient, you can add your email, you could add birthday also, and also the descriptions. You could also add your shipping address too. So once you're done with these settings, tap on the Save Changes at the top right corner. Now, in order to add items to your wish list, first of all, go to your home page and then search for the product that you want to add in your wish list. So for example, I will just add one of the product right here. So once you're on the product page, you have to scroll down a bit and there's an option as Add to List. Tap on it and now you have to select your list. For now, I will select the wish list. Tap on it and now the item has been added into your wish list. If you go to your profile and if you go back and refresh it once. So once you're here, if you tap on the list and now head over to your wish list, you will find the items added in your list that you have created recently. So that's the way to create an Amazon wish list on mobile. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.